Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what came with the package. As you guys can see, we have lots of different types of headbands that came with this package. So right here, this is the wig. It is so beautiful. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take off the scarf and then put on the wig. As I'm putting on the wig, I'm making sure that I put on the hair clips. It's very important so that the wig will be very tight and secure. So after putting on the wig, I'm just gonna fluff it with my hands and then put on the headband. I went ahead to apply a little bit of olive oil on the hair because it's already very soft and beautiful, so you don't need to do much. And this is what it looks like, guys. This is so beautiful. I love this headband, so I'm gonna go ahead and style it with different headbands, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch. So right here I'm trying a different headband. Like I said, this wig comes with so many headbands, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys different ways I was able to style this wig. And yes, guys, that is pretty much it. This is the last style. I hope you guys enjoy and learn something from this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.